This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Do you know the process to build a Maven project on Jenkins?
I don't know. I did not do that actually. That's the blessing of the DevOps team. All they said, just simply schedule your code, remaining will make it happen, because it's a very the large environment and we have a very strict process. They own the entire automated process, CI/CD process, configuration process, environment. They do everything else. If you ask me how I run on my environment, yes, I have my Java installed, I have my Maven installed, and I have all the dependency. When I build the Maven, it just shiny run on my computer. And before I give my requirements to the DevOps team, actually set up a technical review meeting. I actually give the whole walkthrough how this works on my machine. So what he does, he actually set up a sandbox on his machine. He just mimicked the same thing what I have done. Once he has done it, now they actually go to the Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory means now they actually set up all the environment for us, because I need the 5 or 10 machine for my all the automation runs in between the Jenkins, the Java Maven, and the NPM and NVM. NPM and NVM for the all the API automation is in the Postman, and Java Maven for the all my GUI automation and the rest assured automation.